So last week we received a package from DT number 1 containing the Samsung Watch 8 and Samsung Watch 8 Classic alternatives, the DT Watch Ultra 2 and DT Watch Ultra 2 Pro. I have already uploaded the unboxing of DT Watch Ultra 2 on the channel. In today's video, let's take a look at the DT Watch Ultra 2 Pro. From the box, you can notice that it's the newer shape, the Samsung Watch 8 Classic shape. Let's get it out. Here is the smartwatch. Let me take off the plastic wrap. After that, we have a sticker on the top of the display. Let's take it off. Here is the smartwatch. First of all, let's check out the contents inside the box. Then we'll take our first look on the smartwatch and its UI. So inside the box, we get the white straps. Since it's the white and the silver model, you will probably get the black straps with the space gray or this black color. After that, we have USB-A wireless charger and the user manual. So you'll have to press and hold the lower button to turn on the smartwatch. And here's the first look on it. Judging from the start screen and the UI, it's probably going to use the FitCloud Pro application. Let's try out the straps. Just like the Samsung straps, you'll have to press until you hear a click. It's also using strap locks like the Samsung Watch, and the straps won't come out until you press this button and then get the straps out. So here is the first complete look on the smartwatch. If you remember the Samsung's older smartwatch with a rotatable bezel, then the Watch 8 Classic actually looks like a mixture of that model and the Ultra model. The bezel on this one is also rotatable and you can use it for scrolling. Other than that, we have 3 buttons on the right side. One can be used to access the menu and to go back. Then we have the sports mode button here, and here is the lock screen button on the smartwatch. To me, the smartwatch seems smaller than the Galaxy Watch Ultra and also the Galaxy Watch Ultra alternatives we had back then. Maybe the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is also smaller in size. I'll confirm the dimensions in the full review. Here's how the smartwatch looks on the wrist. What are your impressions on it? Let me know about it in the comments below. You can also move on the home screen using this rotatable bezel. With tap and hold, we have many watch faces here. Let's take a look at all of them. Here is the first one. It has 2 themes. After that, we have this watch face. It also comes with a day and night theme. And then we get this watch face. It looks quite cool. After that, we have this one. And then we are back to the first watch face. So there are only 5 built-in watch faces in it. If you go to the menu, here's how it looks like. And then we have the control center on the home screen. After that, we get the split screen, quick access applications, and the messages or notifications here. So these were my first impressions of this smartwatch. So the full review is coming very soon on the main channel, so make sure you are subscribed there. And also make sure to subscribe to Unbox with iMAT for the future unboxings. I have already dropped the unboxing of Samsung Watch Classic alternative, the DT Watch Ultra 2 on the channel. You can also watch it from the link attached in the description box below. I will see you in the next one with another unboxing.